Hello and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we create this ombre effect easel card. I will use the brushes to create this beautiful smooth ombre effect, and also I will show you how I assemble the card. This is the part 2. You can find also the part 1 with the flowers I used to decorate the stepper in this card, and I will link it in the description below and also on the end of this video. I also add a special discount code for new customers for Heartfelt creation in the comment section below. And if you are new to my channel, don't forget to like and subscribe to help me provide more video tutorials for you. Just before we started, I want to mention that you can find all the materials I used to create this project on the description below this video. They are linked, so you can just click and look what you are interested. And also I have more photos, instruction with measurements, and also the materials on my blog post, so link is also in the description below this video. This is almost the full video, step by step. I recorded it for a few hours, and I speed it a little bit just to not bore you totally. You can see exactly how I create the ombre effect, what inks I used, and how I assemble the card. So I will just leave you with the music, and I will talk about the card on the end of this video. Okay, so let's talk about the card. So idea to create this card was to show you that you can create a beautiful card using only the stamp set, and if you do this, you can use the same inks you used to create the flowers to create the background, so your card is totally coordinated. I love it. Ombre effect is always a bomb. Maybe not totally in this case because I want to create very delicate and smooth ombre effect, but you can use whatever colors you want. And as you know, especially in oxides, you have bunch of very vibrant colors, so you can create a beautiful ombre effect card. It was the first time I used the brushes to create the ombre effect card. Previously I used the brayers and sponge brayers also. I think using the brushes is a little bit more time consuming process, but to be honest, it's okay for me because I'm using the brushes for other things anyway, so yeah, it could reduce the annum of products you have in your craft stash, so it's fine. Also, I think the black cardstock is a fantastic background for any ink blending projects like this. Okay, so don't forget like and subscribe my YouTube channel to help me provide more video tutorials for you. Also, you can find all the measurements and materials in the description below this video. I also link the video for the flowers on the end screen, on the end of this tutorial. If you create the card, you know, using this tutorial or instruction, you can share it on Heartfelt creation group, or you can tag me on social media. I love to see your cards always. It's a very happy moment for me if I can see your version of my projects. And that's it for today, and I hope to see you soon. Bye.